What's the meaning of coffee essence? Coffee essence. Coffee essence.
Coffee essence. Coffee essence. Coffee essence is a concentrated liquid extract made from coffee beans. It is often used in baking and cooking to add a strong coffee flavor to recipes without adding excess liquid. Coffee essence is typically more potent than regular brewed coffee and has a slightly bitter taste. When added to recipes, it can give a rich coffee flavor to desserts like cakes, cookies, and ice cream. Coffee essence can also be used to flavor sauces and marinades for meat dishes. Overall, it is a versatile ingredient that adds depth and complexity to various recipes.